Matthew chapter 28 from verse 16 to verse 20. So, Jesus 11 follower them go to Galilee at the mountain where he tell them to go. When them see him, them worship him. But some of them ain't too sure if I him. Then Jesus come say to them, say, God give me power over everything we are living in heaven and on earth. So go on, use for me power, teach me message to people everywhere so they can turn me follower too. And use the power where the Father, the boy pitney, and the Holy Spirit give and baptize them. Go and go teach them to listen and follow all of the rule them when we go now. And remember, me no left for no none at all. Me dey which part uno dey till time done. A God word this. Thank God.